Well, can the mysterious death of the main accused in the Delhi gang rape case, Ram Singh, be taken at face value? A day after he allegedly hung himself inside the cell of his Tihar jail, many questions are being raised about the version of Tihar jail officials. Does the post-mortem report that is likely to be submitted today hold the key?
This 33-year-old man, Ram Singh, was the prime accused and the ringleader in the Nirbhaya gang rape case. The same men who led a pack of 5 brutes responsible for the savage gang rape and murder of 23-year-old Nirbhaya. But now he is dead. And as much as the Tihar officials want us to believe it is suicide, the facts just don't add up in the case.
I don't want to disclose more facts because the inquiry is being conducted and it would be premature to make any statement about the details of the incident.
Is it realistically possible for a man 5 feet 7 inches tall to hang himself from a 10-foot high cell? But that is just the beginning of the loopholes in Tihar's version. There were 3 other inmates in Ram Singh's cell. What were they doing at the time of his death? And finally, what about the prison guard? Where was he at the time of the death?
I doubt he has committed any suicide because there were no circumstances which ultimately suggest he can go to that extent to commit suicide.
Doctors at All India Institute of Medical Sciences will conduct the autopsy of Ram Singh on Tuesday. It's likely that the report will be submitted by late this evening. The Delhi police have also said that they are awaiting for the magisterial report and also the autopsy report before they take any legal action in the case. The magistrate is likely to record the statement of the 3 cellmates who were sharing the room with Ram Singh.
Several voices also questioning the Tihar jail version of Ram Singh's death, even as they get set to submit a report in trial court. Many are also concerned whether this shocking death in a maximum security prison would be a setback to the prosecution in the Nirbhaya case.
I don't see the trial impacted because it's one accused less. Because it's one defender less. Because your prosecution is intact, your evidence is intact, and there are others.
मुझे लगता है कि जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी से कम कोई इंक्वायरी, मैजिस्ट्रेट्स इंक्वायरी नहीं, कोई बहुत सीनियर हाई लेवल जुडिशियल टाइम बाउंड इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए इसमें कि किन परिस्थितियों में ये मौत हो पाई.
A convict is found dead in the prison cell with maximum security, and the Tihar officials say it is suicide. Can the mysterious death of the Delhi gang rape accused be taken at face value? Bureau Report, Times Now.